Hey, what's up, Fit Soldiers? We're going to break down a feet elevated glute bridge today, okay? So you're going to be on your back. You need a box or a bench or something to get your feet onto. It can be a ball as well. And you're getting your feet, your knees are roughly 90 degrees. From the floor, this base from the floor, this is going to give you a lot bigger range of motion. So get the feet on the box, fire the glutes, drive the hips. You're going to get a little more hamstrings involved here. Glutes are tight. Put your brain in your butt, tell it to squeeze. Drive your hips as high as you can. Full hip extension. Drop it. Drive. Drop it. Drive. Big full range of motion. Never touch these hips down in between so we keep tension on some of the muscles there. We can also take this into, if you want to take away some stability, take it into a physio ball. Okay, now we've got some squishy ball here. And firing the glutes, driving the hips. Now we got to work at stabilizing the ball, keeping that core strong, firing the glutes, driving the hips, get full hip extension, and get a little pause at the top, a little extra squeeze up there. That is your feet elevated glute bridge. Get after it, have fun with it. We'll see you soon.